furnace here. LP, liquid propane. We got a code. See that? I think it's like 5. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is why you don't want to open it. As soon as you get here, always look at your code, you know. So always find that. Don't open it because there's a door switch and it could shut the unit off and reset the whole thing, and you'll have to wait for for the problem to happen again, or you'll clear the code and then you have to start all over. If we got the code, we have somewhere to start. So we'll start with that. We'll open these up, right? We could shut it off actually, or open these up. Sometimes the door switch is taped. I can show you that. Hold on. Let me see. So we got our drill here. Perfect. Oh, perfect. So we got. Okay. Nope. Gotta switch it. So drill. Get this in here. That's one. Right. That's 2. There we go. Let's see. Yep. See how I shut off? That's that door switch right there. Because of that, I shut off. That's what you always, before you take any panels off, always look for an LED code or anything. Okay, if you're going to a service call, no heat call, any kind of trouble call. See, this door switch, once it pops, once it pops open, power is stopped. So thank God we said it was 5, so now we just gotta look at the back of the panel here. You usually have it. Let's see. Okay, so here it is. Steady on, right? Normal operation. We got 5 flashes. Flame sense with gas valve de-energized. Flame sense. Okay, 5 flashes. Flame sense. So the only thing that senses flames in here would be what? The flame sensor. So let's go ahead. See, so that's why you got to look at the flashes, so you know it'll give you where to start. Start looking. So our flame sensor, we'll inspect the flame sensor, check it out. They do go dirty, and I will show you how to clean that in just a second. So we'll inspect that. Somebody put 1/4-inch screws. Thanks, guys. You guys are the best. Anyways, it's kind of hard to do one hand. But anyways, yep, simple. Open it up real quick. There we go. That's 1. That's 2. Okay. That's my second panel. And here are all my components. You got your pressure switches. Okay. Pressure switch here. Second pressure switch. That's a 2-stage. High and low. Oh, it's 2-stage gas valve. You're always gonna see high and low. So it's a 2-stage gas valve. Yeah, so should be a good one. Anyways, get our light in there. That's too bright. There you go. That's better. There you go. Yeah. Okay, so this back here would be our igniter. Right. Oh, flame sensor is right over there. You see him? See the rod right there? That's our flame sensor. Come on, focus. Focus. There you go. Yeah, that's our flame sensor right there. All right, we'll pop him out. I think he's a 1/4-inch. Okay, so let me pop him out. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it with one hand, unless you have one of these, because it's like it's at an angle. So there we go. See that? This is nice. This is nice. All right, guys, got the flame sensor right here. Right. So what we're gonna do is, I got you right now. Show you how to clean it real quick. How I was taught anyway. Boom. It's supposed to be $1, but all I have is 5s. But anyways, you just kind of clean it off. But anyways, yeah, I think that's good. That looks a lot better. Wouldn't you say? Looks a lot better. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. It's nice and clean. I'm just gotta pop him back in there, right? We'll get the, where's the wire? There's our wire, correct? Yeah, that's our wire. So yeah, all he has to do is, once the burners comes on, he's supposed to sense the flames and send the signal back to the board, telling it that the burners are on. Okay, if it's dirty, he's not unable to sense those flames. You know, I think it's like electrically or like with resistance, sense resistance or something once it heats up. So that's him. I just gotta put my screw back in there, okay? Now, give me a second. I'll put it back on. We'll turn this thing on and we'll see. We'll go through the sequence of operation and see what's up. If we could find anything else, all right? All right, stand by. All right, guys, so we got our flame system cleaned up back there. That guy hiding. I'm gonna have some tape, you know, tape this door switch, right? Just so we could watch the sequence of operation. Put the panels off. Hopefully that works. Yeah, just like that, right? Okay. And we'll see what happens. Our board is on, right? There's cobwebs everywhere. What the hell? Ooh, look at that filter, though. Hold on. Look at that filter. That doesn't look very clean, huh? They don't take clean. They're doing renovations here, so look at that. Yeah, look at that. That's not good. That is not good. Okay, now we're just waiting. I'm not sure if it's calling for heat right now. It should have been. Right? Yeah. But anyways, that's not good. Look at all that dust. We'll swap him out. Make sure I get the right one. What the hell? Jesus Christ. There we go. Okay. Just gotta slide him. Oh my God. It's all that sheetrock dust. Come on. Get out. Come on, dude. You're being a pain right now. What are you being a pain? 2024. 25. Oh my Lord Jesus. Damn. Why is it 22 minutes? Okay. That's gonna be a problem. Hold on. Okay, where is it? Come on, come on. Yeah, this is such a. Holy, look at that. Wow. That's what happens. Oh, God. All that is not good. Yeah, you know what? The next call would have been high limit trip. That's what caused your limited trip. No airflow. Look at that. That's crazy. It's a renovation, that's why. Close that up real quick. Alright boys, so the piece is started, right? It's the call for heat. Looks like we got another code. Come on, focus. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we go over here. Check what 4 means. Thermal protective device. Open. Thermal. Thermal means what? Like heat. or hot, or I don't know, temperature. So I'm going towards the limit. This is going limit. That's a thermal, right? Since it's heat, thermal energy, heat energy, I think. That's one. Put that back. So we got our meter out. We meter him across. You can see there's another one. This is the rollout switch. We'll check them both, make sure they're not open. They're supposed to be closed to complete the circuit. So if it's open, you know, which makes sense. With that filter being all plugged up, it could have been open. So we'll check them out and then go from there. Well, first we have to do that. Okay. So I'll undo it. Give it a second. So we're gonna need get the limit. Right. Get the limit switch right here. Hold on. Get this right. Ooh, my wallet. Alright, so we got a limit switch. We're gonna do is obviously undo this because I should have done that. Hold on. It's so hard, guys, doing this with one hand. But for the sake of showing you and retaining the information myself, I find it better to record it. So go here. Oh, it was on. It's off. That's to read your voltage. We need it on ohms, which is that little sign right there. So we need it on ohms. Okay. And I like to put it on sound mode just to hear the beep. Hold on. And that's how you know it's gonna make a beep. So it's gonna tell you if the switch is open. If it's open, it'll say "oh well." If the switch is closed, meaning the switch is closed and the circuit can be completed and run through it. It's not breaking the circuit. It should read resistance. Okay, so let's test our lead. See, when they touch is because there's a resistance and the loop is complete. And this one is supposed to be closed at all times. So we'll put one right here, right? Hopefully it stays. Okay, well, this is not easy. This is not easy. Hold on. I got you right now. One right there. Nope. Might be close. I mean, yeah, it might be close. Okay, like chopsticks. Okay. One. Nope, not him. So he's good. Next we have one here. So okay, so let's not mix up our wires. That's for him right there. Now we have this guy. We'll check him next. Okay, he looks like he's a resettable. He has a button in the back. It looks like a button. He might be a resettable. So let's check him again. Let's check him now. Okay, so we have our meter. We have our meter there. All right, see his open line. Let's check him. Oh, got nothing. Come on, focus. There you go. Oh, almost. You got nothing on him. So he's open. That's not good. Let's check the last one. Make sure we're good. Okay, so we'll put him back. Right, it was him and him. So we don't mess up the wiring. Let's check him down here. Right. Come on. Oh, jeez. It's not coming out how I want it to. Okay. Let's get some light in there. Alright, let's check him right here. Ah, there we go. Okay. Got our meter, right? On beep. It's supposed to beep when you touch it. Okay, so our meter is good. Alright, now we go chopstick style. Put one in there, one across. So this one's, see, this one's closed. So that one's good. Look, yeah. Okay, so him, he's the bad guy. He's messing us up. Okay, so that's one. Alright, that's two. So keys are resettable. You're supposed to be able to reset. You hear that click? So he's reset. Alright. Now we could test him again. Once we reset it, we could test him. Now he's closed. Okay, cool. Awesome. So that's that. Gotta put him back in there. So I'll do that. Alright, then restart it and I'll show you that. I'll show you what happens after we restart it. Hopefully we get some flames. Awesome. Alright guys, to recap, we got the switch in there. Right. Oh. I need the wires. So we got the switch. We just gotta get the wires down there. Let me get a second. Got the wires in here. That's one. That's two. It don't really matter which way you put them. It's the same loop essentially. So these are your safeties, right? Safeties is good. We reset him, and he was good. Now we turn the unit on, and now we wait. Okay. And this. Okay. Now we just gotta wait for the call again. Then our inducer to run. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully you learned something. Yeah, thermal. Always look at your board, right? Hopefully you always have your schematic and your indicators for your codes. All right, guys, just to recap, our unit did start. Got the glow going. There's my fire, baby. That's what we're talking about. There we go. Yeah. I like that. I like that. Good. Good, good, good. There's our fire. That's what we're looking for. There you go. What caused it had to be that filter being so plugged. This guy caused everything to heat up and trip, you know. But there she is. Look at those flames. Look at those flames. That's nice. There you go. Yeah, guys, that's our blower. Just waiting for him to come on. At this point, you can actually go ahead and, how's this going? At this point, okay, still steady on, right? Come on, you focus. These phones, you know, you pay so much money for these phones for no reason. Alright, put this. There's my board. Oh, there she goes. Come on. Bear with me. God damn it. Sorry, boys. Very much. Get in there. It's probably not the panel for that. I don't know. Let's check our flames. Looking pretty good. Pretty nice and blue. And there you go. We fixed it. Now we gotta change him. Dirty. you do to our UNE 30 fast? Look at that. All right, guys, that was it. Thanks for sticking with me. I appreciate it. Look at my hands. I gotta change that filter. But yeah, guys, like, comment, subscribe, do all that. All right. This is HVAC for sure. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.